आप भेज लीजिए।
तो दो टाइम दिखाओ, कितना बजे दिखाओ। Good afternoon, my friends, those who love the Academy of Quest. Today, on schedule, we have got no seminar, but due to some pressure, I ready to say something. I eagerly now to meet with you with some cases, some observation of some medicine. First, you see the screen is a photograph of Dr. Gyan Majumdar. Dr. P. Shankaran said, he is not Gyan Majumdar, he is a grand Majumdar. Really, he is a grand Majumdar. I know him personally, very close to him in the later stage of his life. A man who has got extreme knowledge of allopathic system of medicine in the surgery, tremendous faith in art of prescribing. He is his angle of prescribing, which I witnessed in his later life, but I say one thing, that a keen observer, you just watch his eye, how beautiful, penetrating, and observing eyes. Our schedule is to bring the cases after the full case taking in the separate room. Then I bring him the case to Dr. Majumdar. He'll listen me properly. Sometime when I finish my medicine, he prescribe medicine after, and sometime I found that Dr. Majumdar, in between my case explanation, Within a few seconds, he decided the remedy and asked me to keep silent. No need. He was a man of believing art of prescribing on the basis of again 153 aphorism. And what I've seen with him, his searching of concomitant with his very keen eye, observing eye, and very big ear for listening eye together. He decided the medicine with his help of materia medica. A materia medica is very much servant to his family. His grandfather, Dr. Pratap Chand Majumdar, having some original proving included in the Clark dictionary. His father was very well-known prescriber, and he himself is a man of tremendous knowledge from both allopathic side and homeopathic philosophy, materia medica. I am going to share a case. Arkham, sorry my friend, I have got no. हाँ अब आया, इसको हटाओ. इसी को दबाया तो नहीं दब रहा, चल रहा है, थोड़ी गड़बड़ है, बस ठीक है. A lady around 40 years old having severe chronic dermatitis came to the Majumdar Sahab for her treatment. Dr. Majumdar Sahab asked what medicine you have taken before. After finishing my whole case taking, he observed, simply observing. Then suddenly he asked one question, that what medicine you have taken before. This is one of the very important question which we mostly ignore in our case taking. We must not ignore, because last medicine having a very gross effect on the body and mind of the patient. So if it is good, we give placebo and ask for the waiting few days. When we will find the patient is over-drugging, overdoses, so we search a remedy of his antidote, or sometime when I found that very good work, the complementary. In our school of thought, the thought of Dr. Gyan Majumdar, sir used to prefer Boger Bonigeson's or Bonigeson's therapeutic pocketbook. The chapter of Boger Bonigeson's therapeutic book and therapeutic book relationship called concordance is a gem, a wonderful contribution to the homeopathic system of medicine. So we asked, after the listening of the symptoms, what medicine you last taken, how many doses, and how many days before. Here, the therapeutic pocketbook is become essential for searching complementary antidote with the help of relationship. So in that reason, patient replied, you don't know? His attitude was very funny. A venerated man like Dr. Gyan Yundar, a respectful and highly esteemed personality, when asked what medicine you have taken, his reply is, "You don't know?" It is very shocking to me. But during the behavior of the case perceiving, this 40 years old lady is very, I am not saying haughty. Haughty, I mostly feel to describe like a podium. This lady wants to impress that I know everything, and you are so big a doctor, and you ask me what medicine you are going to taken before. Dr. Mujumdar Sahab looked at me and winkled and smiled and said to the woman, "Yes, of course, but how I know?" Servant said, "How I know?" And look after me with like that. Sometimes he was very funny, and I feel proud that his behavior, his association with me was so close. Patient says, "Yes, I know." That you don't know means she wants to establish that what medicine I have taken, you have to know. Why you are saying I don't know? Whole case I read before him, but Dr. Mujumdar Sahab was not interested at all. Sometimes his behavior is like that during my case perceiving that when I say my cases, explain my cases, he was someone sometime very seriously attending the cases, seriously listening the case, and sometimes he become indifferent and not interested at all. Because after a long journey with him, I, I got his characteristic features of his personality that if he knows anything perfectly, then he did not get any interest to listen more. By this one or two winking, Dr. Mujumdar Sahab prescribed Platina 201 dose. Around 6 to 8 months taken, the recover with four, four more doses of a higher potency. I just show few photographs. I have got no courage to bring the original photograph of my patients. Sometimes I got very painful experience. So platina, one thing you will get, one is very ornamental. Number two is very thin. I could not get still now. It's too much flabby uh, patient of platina. But thin patient, thin platina with blackish or blackish hue. These two important factor make me to look after the platina. Sometimes the patients are not able to explain fully. I say here one case of constipation, a very chronic constipation, long lasting constipation. The ladies with the similar appearance, very thin and blackish. This blackishness is most towards African country. In our country, we have blackish like that, but sometimes slightly fed blackish. But I consider both fed blackish and blackish like that with thinness. She explaining about the trouble of the constipation. There are certain symptoms which is very common to the all constipated people. One is irritated, another is depressed. With this, they explaining pain and discomfort in a very extreme level around the rectal region. I when I ask all the symptoms because it is mostly related to the private part of the patient, and the patient is sometimes not able to explain fully in a very not very expressive constipation. Yes, hard stool. I could not tolerate. The pain is too much, as if tear, as if lacerated right there. But for me, when I ask, I don't ask about anything. I'm simply ask about the character of the stool. This, she laughed to me. Oh, doctor, why you ask this question about the character of the stool? My stool is very funny stool. She loved me too much. When I pass my stool, a good amount of the stool is adhere, is still like a clay to my rectum, my rectum around the rectal area, and which is very difficult to clean, not easily clean. When good amount of using water, sometimes tissue paper. I got one more case. He always going to his toilet, bring with the tissue papers, big amount of big tissue paper with him, and after passing his stool, she constantly wash with water and tissue paper. This most important area of washing putty and clay-like stool is one of the reminder for me or homeopath like me. A question of character of the stool is going to establish the personality of the platina patient. I watched this lady very thin and very blackish. Considering considering to both things, I prescribe platina 6 3 times a day for 9 days. So most of this type of obstinacy we need some medicine with the repetition. So I repeat 9 doses within 3 days, and after that, patients came to me and saying she has got free from this troublesome stool. My simple discussion here, so some of the medicine is going to be demanded as their indication, characteristic features, keynote features in the local area, like platina stool, clay-like stool. Alumina has got the symptom of clay-like stool, but not so sticky. Sticky and clay is towards platina. Alumina is very cheerful, mild and cheerful, whereas mild and VP is pulsatilla. Irritable, depressed, haughty attitude, it should be considered as a platina. So I am saying about Dr. Mujumdar's case. Just see in two cases, eyes and facial expression with stiffness. In my experience, I also consider platina is one of the remedy where stiffness is very important factor in his behavior, in his character, in his voice, or in his whole appearance. Very stiff, very arrogant. This attitude during the conversation, and I know more than you. ये मुजुमदार साहब, it is just word of Dr. Gyan Mujumdar. Sir said, I know more than you. Especially those people. He is very much sensitive for those people who are very learned, qualified, physician, advocate, more higher personality, knowledgeable personality. Platina is haughty, but in my humble submission to the profession, haughtiness is the word is very suitable for the lycopodium. This looking with disdain upon everyone and everything, especially the platina character is for those she or he is going to be disdain, looking very arrogantly and disdain upon, छोटा करके देखना. This thing, everything is very small. This personality is nothing to me. Have got no experience than me. She simply become a Gyan Yundar, simply become a higher quality of the Supreme Court advocate or Supreme Court judge, etc., etc. But for the lower level, just just like a maid, servant, her behavior is not very harsh. The behavior related to the higher quality of personality very harsh. In the lower quality of the person, she become not very harsh, but disdain quality, chota dekhna, smaller thinking, not up to the mark, not up to the level. I remember one case of a lady. She is from some near area to the Saitia. For the treatment of chronic ababasis. After the consideration of the whole case taking, suddenly I asked, can you not bring your servant to me. I have got some question to ask about you. She suddenly become very violent. I said, don't say like that. They are very chotto jat. Chotto jat means the lady having or servant having a very lower quality or lower status. Later on, her father told me that we are the scheduled caste, and her nature is become so much misbehaving with the servant and other people. All they call a chotto jate log. These person are very low status people, both religiously, is economically, and socially. So Dr. Mujumdar prescribe here the Platina 200. इसको हटा अर्कम ये हटाओ यहाँ से. Now, my friend, why I choose today to discuss about the platina only because of that. Nowadays, I have got some mobile call, some information, some message from the different part, and they guide me, they insist me, they order me to bring so and so personality and don't speak in Hindi. Oh, sorry, we speak in Hindi. Don't speak in English. When I saw that man, gentleman, maybe he's about 20 to 35 years old, 30 or 35. A third year student suddenly called to my son, they bring so and so physician with a series of lectures. And you continue this lecture as if they are my senior, they guide me, they order me. This type of attitude nowadays very, very common. I found platina personality in present day. Many young boys and girls whom you ask anything before your full question, they say abruptly, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Don't worry for that. I know. I know more than you. Why you worry for that? These are, I know everything is one of the temperament of the platina nowadays very common. I saw a good description of the platina with Dr. Sanjay Sehgal Sahab. Especially, I attracted with begging, symptom of the begging, but I could not get any patient of platina with the begging. Rather, I found they are very uh, not very strong, domineering, and haughty nature. Sometimes they become very jockey people. After domineering, suddenly she become close to the person and just laugh, silly laugh, and said, "Oh, don't mind, it is okay, don't mind, it is okay." But I never find in the case of the lycopodium personality of haughtiness who ask for apology. They are very learned, but very proud. This cowardness, another extreme point is haughtiness. If you like to share his apology, he said with his some of the assistants, some of the family members, say apology from your side for me. Really, I was wrong at that time. These are the very common dialogues of Platina personality. I remember some of the cases of the Platina, but you remember one thing that you have seen. नहीं जा रहा है थोड़ा सा इधर आओ फोटो के पास लिखे हो
इसको
Just listen, my friend. I am going to describe some of the personality of the platinum. Just keep in your mind this photograph, these two photographs, and the last one. You please notice this beauty of blackness and thinness. So this is a mechanical things which is very difficult to control in our hand. Remember one thing, you have seen a lady which is look like that, but the facial expression is not very much arrogant. Rather, the opposite side of the arrogancy is mental depressed. She is very much depressed. Reason, there are lots of reason, but mostly you could not get any reason during the conversation of the platina patient very easily. And they are very melancholic, sad. Just see this one, this photograph. हटा नहीं आया तू. So depression and having typically a fear of death. A whole case of a type of insanity. Depressed, melancholic, and always death is dominating factor in his mind, in her mind, the fear of death. In this fear of death, she is going to be very close to, हाँ ऐसे ही दिखा, very close, वो नीचे दिखाओ उस तरह, very close to Passatilla, Netramure, and some other medicine, sepia. But my experience, which I have got very poor amount of successful practice life, that आवाज बंद करो. So this description of mood in Platina, opposite to her personality, dominating personality, always thinking about people is very low, very low status, very low character, very poor personality, very poor color, though she is herself become a very black. I remember in my very early days of the practice, a young girl of 17 or 18 years old is just black like that. But one thing she always condemned, disdain other people's, those who have got black color. अरे देखो ये कैसी काली है, कैसी बदसूरत है. What type of the blackness she had? She's so black, or dirty looking. Only by this conversation and her belief that she is the most beautiful lady, very domineering lady, with criticizing the similar appearance, similar color of the body and the facial expression. I give her Platina 200, very early stage of my practice. Now, this is one approach to watching the patient. Those who are very VP mood, depressed, too much depression, having no interest at all. Even the dominacy, which is very common symptom of platina, is not found. Dominacy is going to be replaced by depression and melancholy. Very depressed. If you will get the concomitant of two concomitant which are very much common to me. One is stool, another is menstrual period. I will discuss you menstrual period in later on. But skipping this photograph, their appearance, their attitude, their thinness and blackness. In this attitude, behavior and color and emaciation, thin, if you will get a lady having a very profuse menstruation. A profuse menstruation is too early and too profuse, and having too much pride. Feelings, everyone is going to be below her. No matching at all. If the case is like that, and it's simply like that, if you have got any skin symptom in the body, mental migraine, eye and nose symptom, throat problem, is platina has got very good effect on the eye and air complaint and toothache. It is simply you will find the patient personality as I discuss, and you have to prescribe without the constitution of the particular symptom. You cover a patient as a person, his personality. We give platina. One case more. You know that there are certain cases, certain personality of a homeopathic materia medica. They have got one very strong pathological characteristic concomitant. As once I discussed with Dr. Goring about Sabadilla. The concomitant is pathological and worms, small worms. If you have got too much sneezing, coryza, cold, and a worm, Sabadilla. Another complication with the association with the rhinitis, sneezing, and worm, with some other indication like pain, like sore throat, trouble in the throat, you can prescribe Sabadilla. Similarly here, I know one more drug is Calcarea carb, having symptom of leukorrhea. Natramur having symptom of leukorrhea. Sepia having symptom of leukorrhea, a constant feature. Sometimes patient is not able to explain as because so much acquaintance, so much habituated of this particular part since the childhood. especially after the puberty, is a very common to the personality like Palatina also. These few remedies, if you like to prescribe constitutionally, and after prescribing constitutionally, you have to stay, you have to sit on the remedy, you have to watch the beauty of the remedy, you have to watch the action of the remedy. You have to wait if the patient has got liquorial discharge. Here we have this dark hair and dark woman with thin structure having a constant watery leukorrhea. This watery leukorrhea is one of the important feature of the platina. So this dark appearance with the thin personality, either very depressed, moody, weepy, fear of death, or having a power of personality to dominate others. In this personality, you're having leukorrhea. Apart from that, if you have got any complaint from different part of the body, say for example, this thin black or dark hair, thin personality with a constant watery leukorrhea. Leukorrhea is a part of her life. If you will get dominating and disdaining quality, everything is going to be very small to her, very below to her. Even a low caste is going to be feel the other people are more than me low caste. I don't know where is this exhibition. If these people have got any complaint in the breast, any complaint in the throat, ear, nose, any complaint in the back, any complaint in the abdomen and lower abdomen, joints, you never forget to remember. Remember, my friend, the medicine Palatina, a wonderful medicine which helped to prescribe constitutionally on the basis of keynote prescribing. Keynote prescribing, also constitutional prescribing. One thing remember, when and how you are going to tag the symptom is keynote. I have got experience of very young physician, some matured physician to explaining nowadays very frequently about the scope of keynote prescribing, understanding keynote. One thing, don't forget, my friend. If it is going to be a keynote, it should be persistent and dominating. Persistent, the case is thin. Persistent, the case is blackish. Persistent is the leukorrhea. Everything which is going to be making one syndrome, a keynote syndrome, should be persistent. That persistent symptom we are going to choose, we are going to become separate during the whole case taking, as Dr. Mujumdas, separate this whole case taking in a one simple single factor, that is, I know much. So this keynote becomes very simple, very small looking, not a full sentence, a big sentence. But one thing is the persistent. Persistent, peculiar. In these cases, we have to prescribe Palatina constitutionally. My friend, now I like to discuss Palatina symptom when she is going to be expressed through the menstrual symptom. Palatina, in my humble opinion, is going to be a woman's remedy only because of that she has got domineering symptom which related to the sexual or menstrual dysmenorrhea, menorrhagia, all the female complaint is very dominating in the platina. Leukorrhea, very dominating in platina. Platina has also a symptom regarding the sex. And this sexual awareness, not only awareness, my friend, is awareness to the level of nymphomania. And this nymphomanic feelings, approach, thinking is uncontrollable, especially in a case of virginity, especially in a case of virginity like Caliphos. These two medicine, don't forget when you have got very early age, before puberty, in a very virgin state, tremendous desire. I am sorry, when I got any other opportunity to discuss with you, I will explain you about the virgin nymphomania, or nymphomanic attitude in a virgin lady, and differentiate between the Caliphos and platina. My friend, one more thing, more concomitant symptom I got in the menstrual symptom. Menstrual symptom means too early, too profuse, too long lasting, and sometimes very much thick, blackish, thick but blackish, and thick blackish, sometimes very much clotted, very similar to crocus sativa. Crocus sativa bleeding in every part of the body, from the lungs, from the stomach, but platina mostly related to the sexual sphere. This large blood, clotted blood, having one very peculiar symptom, which we should confirm. Due to modesty, sometimes we are not able to confirm. That private part is very sensitive. She does not allow two important things in the menstrual period. A full platina is going to be grown up, expressible, and easily perceivable. If you like to learn a platina lady, must watch the menstrual period. In this menstrual period, the platina is going to be expose herself by their behavior, the behavior of disdaining others, making poor, making unfit, especially during the menstruation, is going to become very much prominent, very much prominent. Other times, slightly lesser. And she is going to be much dominating nature is very height, and the become very much domineering appearance, domineering behavior, especially during the menstruation. And in this menstruation, you will get very sensitive part of vulva. Vulva is very sensitive. Does not allow even to a small piece of cloth to just observe the menstrual flow. Just see the lady who is looking, her behavior of the looking to making everything become distinct. सब छोटा है. Is everything is going to be small and smaller, and he herself is going to be dominated by his uh, scarf, wearing a scarf with dominating scarf, I can say. I watched some of the many Platina personality. They never look to you like that. If you are smaller, then she look like. If you are taller, then she never be look like you like that. And most of the Platina personalities look upward. When he or she walk, always look like that. If you are going to talk with him, your face is like that, but her or his face is going to be up. This is a very simple attitude of Platina, which I observe in my practical life practice. Sometimes Platina is going to be mixed with the Staphylococcus, sometimes Lycopodium, sometimes sulfur. But his beauty of prescribing should be consist to the thin and looking appearance, the blackish appearance, making everything small, thinking everything is small. Suddenly, I remember one case that for her, we are going to visit her residence. She was she is a business dealer. When I reach in the New Alipur area, post Shanaka, I talked with her father, her sister, and mother, but she is not able to appear. After my 15 or 10, 20 minutes like waiting, suddenly she appeared with his very small vanity bag, purse, very thin and very black, wearing t-shirt and pant just like a male. Or suddenly she asked to the mother, Mother, why everything is very small here? Why you not bring the glass water is big one? Why everything is small? Why you need change the sofa? So small sofa, we are waiting for the doctor. By this behavior, she established that everything is very smaller, useless, and not up to the mark of that particular lady. This behavior is enough for me. When she and is starting to talking about her complaint, and her severe complaint was the migraine. One experience I like to share with you. This migraine diagnosis as well as the symptomatology I could not find in any lower people, lower status, economically lower status. I mostly found the higher status, higher economical status, big personality, big man, richest man, woman especially. So she had got the migraine and she is starting to migraine symptomatology, and every time she is going to say, do you understand, doctor? This is my personal feeling, which I like to share with you. This constantly with the 1.5 years, 1.5 hours of the case study. But my case is going to be established, confirmed with the platinum. After 1.5 hours, she is still speaking. Sometimes I'm going to be confused with the legacies. Sometimes stramonium. But one thing which is very confident for me for prescribing platina is his thin and very black and dominating, and everything is very is going to be very smaller. I mean, the physician is not able to understand her. If physician is not able to follow her, that's why sometimes she repeats every symptom very repeatedly. After that, I said, this is my interview is not complete. I will give you some introductory medicine, and next week I am going to complete my case. She was very happy, very happy. Yes, good doctor. Till now, I have got no such doctor who is going to be understand me. No, ma'am, I understand you. You please just take introductory medicine, and after that, next week I will again see your case. And I took
Mm.
Platina in 200, 200, not single dose, but three doses, 12 hour remedy. My simple saying about the platina is, when you are going to confirm platina on observation, first thin, number two very black, number three menstrual symptom, menstrual symptom with the various sensitiveness of the vulva, and third one and another one is constipation. These few characteristics, if you will get in a patient, and leukorrhea in a patient of a person who has got whatever may be the name of the disease, we never bother for that. Whatever may be the name, starting from migraine to the eye complaint, from the ear, nose, throat, even to the chest, breast, abdomen, pancreas, liver, spleen, go down to the pain and complain of rheumatic pain. One thing I like to share, the complaint of rheumatic pain. Platina, if you like to prescribe platina, apart from all these characteristic features, if you will get, is wonderful. If you will not get, you get only one thing. The patient is going to be set the pain with the rhythm. As we have got the rhythmic pain in the syphilinum, especially found in the night, with the rhythm of night, then it is syphilinum. Otherwise, no syphilinum. Simply a sternum metallicum, platina have got the rhythmic pain. As patient having the pain in the rheumatic, mostly in the joints of the knee, gradually going to be increase up to the height of hue and cry, tod phod, breaking things, and then gradually is going to be reduced. This rhythmic pain, without any consideration of the night and day, is the beauty of platina. Platina, one thing I like to share, platina, one thing I like to share, which I confirm only in one case up till now. In my house, a servant is working for a longer period. She used to sleep in a separate room. In between the other rooms, one night, due to my too much anxiety and feelings of asthma, I have got at that time very much asthmatic. So for searching relief, I am moving the house, and I got found that her name was Sony. Sony is sleeping on flat back, and her both legs is drawn up. When drawn up, I'll find this separate them. This is a typical posture of sleep of platina. Very difficult to get, but if we slightly with the shamelessly ask the patient whom I whom I consider is really a platina personality, it is better to once ask. And we confirm this way of sleeping. Sleep will give us one of the very strong symptom of indication for prescribing, characteristic of the personality. Sweat is giving to the good characteristic symptom for personality prescribing. All the discharges, especially the human behaviors like sleep, dreams, are one of the important avenue of searching characteristic symptom for prescribing. I got wonderful result with the posture of the sleep. I got wonderful result with the some of the strongest indication I got through the sweating. Different drug. I got wonderful result with the some symptom which I found in the liguria. I found in the menstruation. These are my way of searching characteristic remedy. Within, I just like to share one more knowledge I remember. When I used to giving seminar in Bombay, in CMP College, Bombay, the most instrumental man behind this is Dr. Rajan Shankaran and his full team, Dr. Kamlesh Mehta, Dr. Munjal Thakkar, some few names I still remember. They always try to make me a trap, I can say trap or learning quality, learning capacity, learning attitude. Once they bring me in the college classroom and bring one case with all the students. And among them students, there are most of senior physician of the Bombay. Still nowadays, they are legend. I demonstrate this case. First, I ask, what is your name? Suddenly, look after me. You don't know? Doctor, you don't know? I keep silence. My remedy was enough to me for prescribing her. But it is a simple, I can say that a part of remedy. As I told, if you like to prescribe on the art of keynote prescribing, the symptom should be persistent, prominent. And in the whole case, I'm going to making very short. The classroom of the full of the enthusiastic learner, listener. Then after that, I ask about what is your job, occupation. Again, she said, what a doctor you are. You don't know my occupation, what I am doing. But some of his relatives just told me that he is a worker working in the one automobile garage where he is physician to the automotor or motorcycle. That's why he has got too much pride or any other way, any other way. The pride has got many reasons, many resources, And sometime I was watch the pride is due to become the mass is going to be considered you as very important factor. Sir, Janab, Janab, Janab. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Ala Hazrat, Ala Hazrat, Ala Hazrat. This type of the personality in day and night is going to be listening about his appreciation, approbations, and sir, make sometimes become very much proudy. So this gentleman also, then after that he is starting his complaint, is starting very seriously from head to the foot. I have got the falling of hair, and this falling of hair when I was just say 19 years old or 18 years old like that. Then he about says something about the eyes complaint. The full body is going to be a complaint, full of complaint, and he's enjoy to explain his complaint of nose, throat. He had got too much rheumatic pain, and that rheumatic pain is mostly found in the knee joint. Unfortunately, due to his behavior, I am not able to ask the rhythm of the pain because I know that if he is able to see and understand, he explained himself. Otherwise, if I am going to ask again, he is going to establish himself is superior to me. Is the case, I think, about 1.5 or 2 years, 2 hours discuss. He explaining only. And my only two questions which he replied very roughly, very rudely, very dominantly. And after just 2 hours of discourse, I does not like to too much exceed it. I may be some of the person, those who are attending this class is still there. And remember, at that time, the seeking knowledge, especially in Bombay, was very appreciable. Then I suddenly stand up. I said, this is a full case of platina. And I go out from the classroom. My friend, persistent, then it is a question of keynote prescribing. A peculiar, then it is a question of keynote prescribing. And in this keynote, I think my humble opinion of my very later stage of life, these two books. One is Ellen's keynote. In Ellen's keynote, every heading has got just like adrak ke panje. You see, ginger, ginger has got many hand and many feet. So, in a case of platina or any medicine in the Ellen's keynote, indication of sweating, but this sweating has got different analysis, not analysis, I am saying different character. And every character is separate, not all. For example, I will see the thuja sweating, thuja perspiration. You see, near about 5 types of different legs and the hands, just like a ginger. But every hand is hand, every leg is leg, every part of the sweat is a sweat. We should prescribe as per the requirement of the patient, as, as per observation of the patient, and study of homeopathic materia medica from the Pura to Helensky note. I say here, my friend, about something related to the C.M. Bogar. He said, first line, a medicine for pain. I found pain in every body, every parts of the body. The character of the pain, an attitude, an attitude, an attitude. Black blood, thin personality. My friend, Platina, Platina, Platina. Thank you, my friend. I am very thankful to you. Some people are those who are in Ramadan with the Rosa, listening me. Those who are senior, superior to me, friend to me, and loved one to me, my younger generation, for which I am very serious to save homeopathy in the hand of younger generation in the field of bedside. This bedside, my friend, is now the Karam Bhumi of every homeopathic physician. We are the Bhumi Putra, the son of the soil. We must save homeopathy. This seminar will a part of making my effort from my side, my family members, those who are interested in homeopathy. My friend, I am not claiming students, but still there are lots of people, especially Dr. Rashid, Dr. Khalid, is going to bring me or rebirth of my early stage of the prescribing, which is very love to me. I enjoy. Sometimes I got loss of sleep due to their comments and saying we learn from Elam Khan. It's a pride to me. It's a love to me. Thanks, my friend. It is an insist and a pressure of my children. I don't know in behind these children who and what among the people there. They insist me. But one thing I find that I enjoy with the talk with you. Really, I enjoy it and feel comfortable to speak Palatina. Not very in detail, but still you are able to prescribe Palatina in your practice life, starting from head, falling of hair to the falling of nail. Thank you, my friend. बंद करो बंद करो यार वन क्वेश्चन है बहुत क्वेश्चन है अभी इन्होंने पूछा कि प्लाटिना क्या बहुत जेलस होता है one thing I like to share with you that every woman, if she is not jealous, I think she is not woman. The genetic evolution inside the woman, jealousy, suspicion, and one thing, insecurity. Then three things I make to make a woman become a woman. In Platina, jealousy is not very marked. Not I observe in my cases, not in my clinical bedside. One thing I like to share that everything is not going to known to me. I am not only instrumental to you. There are lots of guru, teachers, students, even a student is going to sharing their knowledge.
मेरे कभी क्या काट लेता है क्या काट लेता है कभी मेरा अंगूठा काट लेता कभी नोज कभी क्या कर रहा है
ये लोग आप लोग ये म्यूट करके नहीं रखते हैं तो बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाता है बोलने का जो ये होता है ना वो खत्म हो जाता है बिल्कुल All right, I could not remember that Platina is too much jealousy. And jealousy is going to be one of the strongest indication characteristic. That is, as far as my knowledge is concerned, I don't know. If you know, please share with me, with the book, with the reference. हो गया भाई, थैंक यू अगेन, थैंक्स। नमस्कार आर्या साहब, नमस्कार। आर्या साहब नमस्कार, आप सुन रहे हैं आर्या साहब?
ऑफ कोर्स सुन रहा था।
आप सुन रहे तो?
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सुन रहा था मैं।
अच्छा,
हाँ
अगर आप सुन रहे तो मेरी एक इल्तिजा है आपसे।
बोलिए।
आप अगले हफ्ते में तैयार हो जाइए बोलने के लिए। भैया कुछ तो
ओके
सिखा दो।
ओके, देखता हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है, आराम
अरे
से।
बाबा मेरे को बोलना नहीं आता है।
क्या बात कहते हैं सर,
अरे
आप ही
सच्ची।
लोगों से हम लोगों ने बोलना सीखा है। सही है, रमजान
अभी
के मुंह में रोजा रख के झूठ थोड़ी बोलेगा आदमी, नफरत नहीं करेगा।
इस उम्र में सुनना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है।
ये बिल्कुल सही, मेरा बेटे यही करता है, लेकिन ये मेरे बेटे लोग जो है ना नकली रिवॉल्वर
तेरे प्लेटिना बहुत सुंदर लगा मुझे, बहुत सुंदर।
बड़ी मेहरबानी सर,
बहुत सुंदर। मैं फर्स्ट मेरा आधा घंटा मेरा मिस हो गया। मैं क्लिनिक से आया, फिर खाना खा रहा था, तो उस समय लगाया तो नहीं लगा। खाना खत्म करके लगाया मैंने। मेरे ख्याल है 15-20 मिनट मेरे पहले वाले मिस हो गए हैं।
नहीं सर प्लीज अगले हफ्ते के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। आपका वो केस याद है जिसमें आपने एक हॉटीनेस दिखा के सल्फर दिया था और सबसे पूछा आपने कि वो क्या ड्रग होगा, क्या कोई लाइकोपोडियम, कोई प्लाटिना, ऐसा, लेकिन सल्फर कोई नहीं बोला। और आपने बाद में कहा कि दिस इज अ केस ऑफ द सल्फर, सल्फर इज आल्सो वेरी हॉटी राइट विद द ब्रेट्रम। तो वैसे ही कुछ केस ऐसे बोल दिया कीजिए सर 15 मिनट भी बोलते हैं आप।
ओके मैं बोलूंगा।
हाँ सर, आपको जब वो आप बता दीजिए, उस वक्त आपका डेट दे देंगे।
ओके ठीक है,
बहुत अच्छा लगेगा सर।
बहुत सुंदर।
आप लोग हमारे प्राइड है सर।
अरे
आप
बाबा
लोगों से बोलना सीखा है मैंने।
अरे नहीं अपन जब वी आर ऑल को पैसेंजर इन द ट्रेन ऑफ होम्योपैथी। जी
सर आपके वो दोस्त है डॉक्टर हब्बू, उनको भी रिक्वेस्ट मैंने बहुत किया, लेकिन वो रिफ्यूज कर देते हैं।
मैं बात करता हूँ उससे, बात करूंगा।
ऐसे बहुत लोगों से हम बात कर रहे हैं, लोग रिफ्यूज कर देते हैं। कुछ पंजाब के लोग हैं, वो भी राजी नहीं हो रहे हैं।
क्यों?
मैं चाहता हूँ कि सबको सुने,
सबको सुना चाहिए। करेक्ट।
हाँ, सबको सुने, सबको सुनाएं।
करेक्ट। वो यंगर जनरेशन को ऊपर आगे लाओ, बिकॉज इनके पास में बड़ा टैलेंट है।
बिल्कुल
बड़ा
आप सही
टैलेंट है
कह रहे हैं सर, बहुत
बड़ा
सही।
टैलेंट